So let's talk about why we have filing statuses. I already briefly touched on it. Why does it matter? The short answer is money, because as we talked about, your filing status determines how much deductions you get. So you can see there is a doubling right here from single to married filing jointly. You get a double standard deduction. And head of household, this is why it was so important, is because you get $18,000. So remember, you have to be single or abandoned to qualify as head of household. So if you're single, you only get $12,000. But if you're caring for a qualifying dependent, then you qualify for $18,000. And then same thing for a qualifying widower. They would qualify for head of household, but since they have this special status, they get $24,000 for 2 years after the year of the death of their spouse. So this is why it matters, is because of this standard deduction. Once you get into itemizing deductions, it doesn't really matter what your status is, because we're going to take the larger of the two. Now, it would matter to a point where a single person only has to come up with, say, $15,000, and then it would be beneficial for them to use the itemized deduction because 15 is bigger than 12. But if married filing jointly people only have $15,000 of itemized deductions, well, it still benefits them to use the standard deduction because this is bigger than the $15,000.